Hi, in this video I'm going to show an easy way to obtain the Cine flare look, the anamorphic style lens flare that's very popular. This is not an actual lens, it's only a monofilament stretched in front of your lens glass. Obviously this is not a real optical curved glass anamorphic lens flare. But this is a good tool to see if you want to spend the money on a real anamorphic lens. This is the monofilament film that I used for this project. It's available from Walmart. The lens filter that I used, I took the glass out of a CPL filter and drilled 2 holes on either side and stacked some adapters to get it away from the glass to give a wider flare beam, and I'll show you that. So basically you drill your holes, you put the monofilament through, tie it off as a loop, make it a small circle loop, and you stretch it over this adapter. And if you can, I'll see if I can show you here where it's riding. It comes out of the hole and it's riding in the groove between the adjustment and the adapter. Later in this video, I have an image of an Amato lens that I put a blue LED strip around the top. This eliminated the monofilament and allowed me to get a little more color in the streak and the surrounding area. Now, I shot most of this at f400, give or take, and it will add a lot of blue to the whole picture if you don't zoom in or stop down correctly. The last segment shows or starts out with a lot of blue overcast the whole picture, and that's just to illustrate that you can get that light a little too bright, or you don't have the right setting or f-stop at ISO. You just have to adjust your camera settings to eliminate it so that when the light's coming in the lens, it's predominantly going through the filament and not taking light from the surrounding area. I think this was a pretty good experiment. I did notice that if I stacked the spacers in front of the lens enough, it gave a wider streak for a skinnier filament. So enough said, let's see the results. In this shot with the Amato lens, you can see the blue is subtle